Nissan Versa 2021, prices, photos, vectors, engine, consumption. Anxiety to 1000, the Nissan Versa 2021 should be launched at the Motor Show in Sao Paulo in the year 2021. Everything indicates that the manufacturer must show all details not yet seen, and make the official announcement of the new model in this exhibition. While this is not happening, you can check the details that have already been released about the Nissan Versa 2021 through this article. Features Nissan Versa 2021. After all, what all the consumers and admirers of the automobile industry expect is a modernization in the visual, since the car has a fame of design half antique. According to websites and magazines that portrayed the novelty of the brand, it is expected that the changes and preservation of the Nissan Versa 2021 are: keep platform V. Keep large and comfortable interior and luggage carrier. Optimize design and bring a more sporty style. Change in the visual, bringing modernization to the vehicle. Versa 2021 versions. Currently, 8 versions of Versa are offered in the US-Europe market. No information was disclosed on a possible change in this number. Only a few investors and owners of Nissan dealers in US-Europe have personally seen the new model of the car. The revelation for these people happened in an event closed in Mexico. If the automaker follows the tradition, the Nissan Versa versions should be 1.012V Flex 4P manual, 1.012V Flex S4P manual, 1.616V Flex S4P manual, 1.616V Flex SV4P manual, 1.616V Flex SV4P Stronic, 1.616V Flex SL4P manual, 1.616V Flex SL4P Stronic, 1.616V Flex Unique 4P Stronic. Versions 1.0 must receive a 5-speed manual gearbox. 1.6 versions can be launched with a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic transmission. Engine of the Nissan Versa 2021. Currently, the Nissan Versa runs on a 1.6-liter 111 horsepower engine, with a choice of 4-cylinder and 16-valve. Engine 1.0 with 77 horsepower, with option of 3 cylinders and 12 valves. It is expected that the engine of the Nissan Versa will surprise, bringing some references of launches of the same brand, or the manufacture made in Europe. Thus, the car would have a 0.9 turbo engine, which delivers 91 horsepower and 15.3 kgfm of torque. Something similar to the engine of the current Nissan March sold in US-Europe. To know concrete information only with the official statements, but this whole suspense about the power and engine of the vehicle must be related to the stage of advertising, ads, and then the possibility of success in sales. The way to handle anxiety is to control it. Price Nissan Versa 2021. Today, the current model of the Versa is one of the cheapest among the sedan category. But, the question value is always taken into account, so the definition of cheap or expensive will depend on the customer. The average Nissan Versa 2021 price should follow previous versions. Minimum price, $12,120 in Model 1.0 Comfort. Maximum price, $18,000 in Model 1.6 Unique. Consumption Nissan Versa 2021. The most talked about subject of the moment is the fuel consumption of the vehicle. Previously this could mean only one detail, but today with the consumer more attentive to the current economy of the country and being smarter in comparisons, consumption Nissan Versa 2021 is a serious matter. As little is known about the 2021 version, speculations revolve around the following mean value. 3-cylinder 1.0 engine. City consumption, km/L, 8.5 with alcohol and 12.6 with gasoline. Road consumption, km/L, 10.4 with alcohol and 15.2 with gasoline. Engine 1.6 4 cylinders. City consumption, km/L, 7.8 with alcohol and 12.0 with gasoline. Road consumption, km/L, 10.0 with alcohol and 14.0 with gasoline. Thanks.